Today we are touring one of the most unique and iconic communities here in Savannah called Isle of Hope. This is a historic waterfront community located right on the Skidaway River that dates back to colonial times. Throughout the 1800s, Isle of Hope was a community of mainly farmers and fishermen. Sometime around the early 1900s, it became a very popular summer resort for Savannah's wealthier families. The main attraction of Isle of Hope is the iconic Bluff Drive, which runs right along the Skidaway River. It's lined with historic estate homes just immersed in storybook charm. Located in the center of Bluff Drive is the historic Isle of Hope Marina, which is one of Georgia's official stops on the Atlantic Intracoastal Waterway. This gives you easy access to deep water for things like deep sea fishing, dolphin viewing, sailing, or easy beach access to any one of coastal Georgia's beautiful barrier islands. So let's talk pricing. For a smaller home on the island's interior, prices will start in the $400,000 to $500,000 range. If you want to purchase one of the larger estate homes on the waterfront, prices will easily range between $1 and $3 million. If you want to know more about this iconic coastal Georgia community, please reach out to me. I'd love to hear from you. All of my contact information is in the description below. If you like the content of this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification as we release new content every week. Thanks for watching.